Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a production entry in Strategic ERP. To create a production entry, the production BOM entry or master must be updated to proceed further. Navigate to the production form under the Production Management module. Select the entry date, name of company and project name. Select the item code. Data will be fetched from master's form or production BOM. Unit will auto-populate based on the selected item code. Enter the updated production quantity. Under the Stock Input Entries tab, select the godown code. The quantity required for production will be auto-fetched based on the production quantity. The stock required should be there in the selected godown to save the entry. Select the godown name in which the by-product is to be updated. Under Stock Output Entries tab, enter the updated rate at which production will be done. The godown code and name will be updated automatically based on your selection. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Once saved, details such as total output value and output input value will auto-populate automatically. It will show you the summary of stock details. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. Also, system will automatically update the miscellaneous received note and goods issue note forms. The process of creating a production entry is now complete.